Have you ever wondered if the list of rights in the Constitution is the complete and final word on our freedoms? Or if there is something more, a hidden clause acknowledging rights beyond those specifically written down? The Ninth Amendment to the United States Constitution does not, in fact, create new rights. Instead, its primary purpose is to clarify that the enumeration of specific rights in the Bill of Rights should not be interpreted as a comprehensive list, meaning it does not deny or disparage other fundamental rights that the people retain. This crucial amendment addresses a specific concern among the Founding Fathers, particularly James Madison, during the drafting of the Bill of Rights. There was a fear that by explicitly listing certain rights, future generations might assume that any right not listed did not exist, or that the federal government could then infringe upon those unenumerated rights. The Ninth Amendment was included to counter this very presumption, serving as a rule of construction to protect the broader scope of individual liberties that were understood to pre-exist government. To understand its practical implications, consider it a safeguard for a reservoir of unwritten rights. Legal scholars and courts have invoked the Ninth Amendment to support the existence of various fundamental rights, such as the right to privacy. While not directly creating the right, it has been used to reinforce the idea that such a right is inherent and not dependent on explicit constitutional mention, often in conjunction with other amendments like the 4th, 5th, and 14th. It reminds us that our freedoms are not limited to a select few enumerated protections. The Ninth Amendment is often referred to by legal experts as a constitutional safety net, or savings clause, ensuring that governmental powers remain limited and individual liberties are broadly protected, even those not explicitly detailed in the first 8 amendments. It acts as a shield against potential government overreach, reminding us that the people retain significant rights beyond those precisely itemized. Ultimately, the Ninth Amendment reinforces the fundamental principle that our rights are not granted by the government but are inherent to our humanity. It provides a vital framework for judicial interpretation, ensuring that the Constitution remains a living document that protects a full spectrum of liberties, even as society evolves and new challenges to freedom emerge.